HP has been making wave in its latest lineup of laptops, bringing fresh upgrade, smarter designs, and more powerful performances. In this video, we'll break down the newest development from HP, the models that have been replaced, the exciting upgrade you can expect, and what these changes mean if you are planning to buy or upgrade your laptop. Whether you're a student, creative, or a business professional, here's what's new in the world of HP laptops. Did you know that HP has replaced the Pavilion and Envy lines with the new Omni range, featuring models like OmniBook for general use and the Omni Studio for creatives? They are unified under the OmniBook name, which spans entry level like the OmniBook 3, the mid-range level like the OmniBook 5, and the premium lightweight laptops like the OmniBook 7, including the Aero. The Pavilion 14 and the Pavilion 15 is now OmniBook 5 series, and the HP Envy X360 is now the OmniBook X and OmniBook 7 Aero. HP has reorganized ZBook and introduced a new lineup that includes the ZBook Ultra and the Power series alongside the Firefly, Fury, and Studio to address the diverse needs of modern professionals. ZBook Firefly 14 is now the HP ZBook Firefly 14 G10, and the ZBook Mini Workstation is now the Z2 Mini G1A. Book 600 models that were replaced by the EliteBook 600 series has been reorganized into the new Gen 10 lineup with the G10 designation, offering internal upgrade and a simplified product naming structure. This series offers powerful performance with the latest in-core processors, enhanced security through the HP Wolf Security Suite, and features to improve the remote work experience like an HD camera with temporal noise reduction and AI noise reduction for clearer online meetings. The HP Omen 16 remains Omen 16, but it has been updated with new components and cooling, while the Omen Transcend 16 is a different lightweight and more portable model from HP's range that has been rebranded into a new model line known as Omen Max 16. The Omen Transcend 16 is noted for its combination of sheer power with mobility, while the Omen Max 16 focuses on raw desktop level performance. So in summary, the HP Pavilion and Envy have been replaced with the OmniBook series, ZBook Firefly, ZBook Fury, ZBook Studio, and now ZBook Ultra G1A and Z2 Mini G1A. OmniBook Transcend 16 is now Omen Max 16. EliteBook 600 is now in the Gen 10 lineup, while Omen Transcend 16 is now the Omen Max 16. HP has discontinued several of its consumer series like Spectra, Envy, Pavilion, and Dragonfly. So if you didn't know, now you know. As an authorized HP dealer in Nigeria, Lasttrend is the plug for original HP products. So when you're looking to buy HP laptops, printer, accessories in retail or wholesales, just visit www.lasttrend.com. You can reach us via email or speak to a customer service representative on phone. The full details are in the description box below. Goodbye.